Welcome to video number 238 of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. In this video, we are going to see a word, one verb in particular, and see how it should be differently understood for different contexts. I see that quite a lot of you are having confusion with this word, as I keep getting doubt about this in comment section. Let's get it cleared now. We often use a common word in Tamil for to ask, to listen, to accept, etc. It is kekka. Let's now see a few examples so that you can understand the word in relation to the phrases. I'll listen to this first. It's just like the English phrase, hey, listen to this first of all. Ida kelunga modo. You can also say modalla, both meaning first, at first, or firstly. In this phrase, it's similar to, hey, listen. Ida kelunga modo. Avanga kitta mudiyuma mudiyadanu kelu. Ask her if she can or cannot. Here, kelu is to ask. Avanga kitta mudiyuma mudiyadanu kelu. To learn to construct phrases with either or, you can check video number 115. Avanga kitta mudiyuma mudiyadanu kelu. நானும் எவ்வளவோ சொல்லி பார்த்துட்டேன், கேட்க மாட்றான். I really tried to convincingly talk, but he wouldn't listen. Here, keka matara is more like he wouldn't accept. And if you look at that, the word matara, I have made this U, the letter U, intentionally smaller for you to understand the pronunciation. Matara. And the U is muted, or rather quick. Matara. This type of aid for pronunciation, I'll try to maintain quite often. நானும் எவ்வளோ சொல்லி பார்த்துட்டேன், கேட்க மாட்றான். என்ன பாட்டு கேட்குறியா? Hey, are you listening to songs? Here, கேட்குறியா is just like the English, are you listening? So listening to songs. என்ன பாட்டு கேட்குறியா? And it'd be good for you to try to repeat what I say in that exact way I tell it, because that helps you with the pronunciation. Enna paattu kekriya? Okay, we'll see another example here, a couple of examples to see all the variations. Avagitta adha pathi ketiya? Here, the ketiya means did you ask about or did you inquire? அவங்கிட்ட அதை பற்றி கேட்டியா? Another example. நீ காசு கேட்டால் தானே கொடுப்பாங்க. They would give you money if only you ask. Here it is more like asking, demanding. நீ காசு கேட்டால் தானே கொடுப்பாங்க. See, if only you ask, they would give you. And another context. கேக்குதா? Are you able to hear? Or do you hear me? கேக்குதா? This is something we ask on the phone. So well, this is all that you have learned in this short video, and my priceless advice to you is try to get the pronunciation right and you'll feel easy to progress. So you should try to utter the words. Just try saying whatever I say.